Hi guys, HT Bros here. Today we're going to take you on a tour of the Fan District in Richmond, VA. Let's check it out. The Fan is one of Richmond's oldest and most loved neighborhoods. It spans the entire area from Arthur Ashe Boulevard to Belvedere Avenue and West Main Street to West Broad Street. This 85-block neighborhood gets its nickname, The Fan, from its fan-shaped appearance on a map. The Fan is known as a foodie hub that's home to a variety of restaurants, from upscale dining to your favorite hole-in-the-wall bars. The Fan is also home to a variety of coffee shops, thrift stores, and plenty of unique experiences like the Plant Bar and Altria Theater. The Fan is known and loved for its character. The historic touches and architecture of the neighborhood have been well preserved and met with modern accents like row home murals. Living in the Fan gives homeowners a variety of options for nightlife, dining, and shopping, all within walking distance. The Fan also has plenty of options for public and private schooling. In addition to the walkability of the neighborhood, GRTC buses service the neighborhood and surrounding areas. The Downtown Expressway, which connects to I-95, is located on the southern edge of the district, and I-64 is just a short drive away. Thanks so much for joining us. Stay tuned for the next community tour.